What's up guys, welcome back to ZMS-Strategy.com. This is me, Manuel. And also, if you're new to this channel, can you click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell for more updates. Today I'm going to explain to you guys the recent version of the boom and crash trading system, which also known as the robot auto trading system as well. You can see here the boom and crash. So let me open it. You can see that we have added so many features on the boom and crash robot trading, and you can see that there are different features here which is being added. We have what called a trailing stop trigger point. We also have a trailing stop loss point. We also have daily stop loss. We also have daily take profit, and we also have delay trade, which is delay between trade minutes. We also have close on open trade if any profit is being taken. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to explain to you guys how does these features work. How can you make use of these features in order for you to be more on profit? So I want to explain everything gradually, step by step, in order for you to get the best understanding to make use of it, in order for you to be more on a good profit. So you can see that, like I said, that so many features has been added to the EA. So firstly, I will start on the trailing stop loss trigger and the trailing stop loss point. So right now you can see that we have a trigger point here, which is by default here is 9999, and the stop loss is 99 as well. So how does this function work? So before I will get to here, let me first explain to you guys the buy enable and the sell enable, because so many of you guys are still making mistake while setting up the EA on your system. So you can see that when it comes to boom and crash, we usually trade the spike. Which is if we are trading on boom, we usually taking the buy trade. The why, if we are trading on spike, we usually take the sell trade, which is we trade the spike. So if you are uploading the EA on your MP5 and you are uploading it on boom, either boom 500 or boom 1000, you are going to enable buy, then disable sell. You are going to enable buy, then disable sell if you are uploading it on boom, because like I said that ever since we have been trading the spike, and the spike look more profitable than trading the opposite. So if you are installing the robot on boom, we enable buy while disable sell. And while if we are uploading the robot on crash, we disable buy, then enable sell, which is we are going to be trading sell trade on crash, then while trading buy trade on boom. But if you decide to trade both the ways, either buy or sell, so definitely you are going to enable the two, which is buy. So definitely the EA is going to be taking both buy trade and sell trade on boom, and it's still going to be taking both buy trade and sell trade on crash. But if you are trading just the spike, and you are uploading it on boom, you are going to enable buy, then disable sell, which is the robot is going to be taking just buy trade on boom. So that's for the enable buy and sell trade. So let's go to the trailing stop loss trigger point and the trailing stop loss point. So how does this work? So let's say, for example, we are using 20,000 points. Let's say we are using 20,000 points as our stop loss. Then we're also using 20,000 points as our take profit. Now we are using 20,000 points we are using 20,000 points as our take profit also. Now how does this trailing stop loss trigger point and trailing stop loss points work? Let's say we are using 20,000 points as stop loss, then 20,000 plus as take profit. So let's say, for example, if the market is going towards our profit direction, we can quickly say that if the market gets to 15,000 points, and the market started having pullback, in order for us to protect our profit, we can still see that if the market now get to 10,000 points, the the robot should automatically close the trade and protect our profit. Now the robot should close the trade and take and protect our profit at 10,000 points, which is our take profit here is 20,000 points, and our trigger point here is 15,000 points. It means that if we are trading buy trade and the market started going up and it goes above 15,000 points, automatically our trailing stop is going to activate. Now the work of the trailing stop, let me give you guys some little idea about the trailing stop. Now the trailing stop is used to protect your profit. The trailing stop is used to protect your profit because there are some trade, like for those of you that have been making use of the EA ever since, you understand that there are some trade that will be on a massive profit, but based on the trade was not able to hit your stop loss and the trade started having a pullback and it get to your stop loss, that trade is going to automatically close. But by you using your trailing stop, immediately the market goes above 15,000 points and we only have 5,000 points for the market to hit your take profit, but the market was not able to hit 2,000 points and maybe the market get to 90,000 points and it started having pullback, it started coming down. In order for you to protect your profit, you now have to make use of trailing stop. So immediately the market get to 10,000 points, it's going to close that trade automatically and give you your profit at that particular time. So that is just the work of the trailing stop loss and trailing stop loss point at the trigger point. Like I say, this is where the trailing stop is going to activate when the market goes above 15,000 points. This way the trailing stop is going to activate either on buy trade or set trade. When you go either above 50,000 points or you go below 15,000 points, this way the trailing stop is going to activate and immediately the market go and touch 10,000 points, the trade is going to close automatically. It's going to close automatically. The trailing stop is just like your take profit. The trailing stop is just like your take profit, so it's going to close automatically. Then why, if you are making use of daily stop loss and daily take profit, now how does this work? Let's say for example you are trading on account of, let's say you are trading on account of $1,000. You can say that on a daily use I want to be making at least $100, which is $100 should be my limit, as in my stop loss on a particular day. The why $100 should be my take profit on a particular day. Just as easy like that. You want your daily stop loss should be $100, the why your daily take profit should be $100. So immediately the market gets to $100 loss, as in the robot is not going to take trade, it's not going to take trade at that particular day. Immediately the market gets to $100 loss, the robot is not going to take trade at that particular day. The why if the robot gets to $100 profit, the robot is not going to take trade at that particular day. So that is just the work on the daily stop loss and daily take profit. The why here you can see that we have trade 4 hour, trade 4 minutes, trade 2 hour, and trade 2 minutes. This simply means that if on a particular day you want the robot to be trading for a particular hour, or from a particular minute to a particular minute, or from a particular hour to a particular hour, you can set it here. Maybe you want the robot to trade from let's say from like 3 a.m. in the morning to like 10 p.m. in the night. So you can do the setup here. You can set the time here in hour, in minutes, just like that. So here you can see that we have here Sunday morning to Saturday. So if you want the robot to be trading every day, you will make all here to be true. But if you want the robot to not trade on a particular day, you make it to be false. So let's go to here. Here we also have daily delayed between trade minutes. Also have delay between trade minutes. You can see that we have 5 minutes. Now this work in minutes. For those of you that are having small account size, or for those of you that are having large account size, maybe you want the robot to delay before taking the next trade. Let's say maybe the robot have taken a buy trade, but you don't want the robot to take another buy trade again. You want the trade to delay before taking another trade. You can set the minute. You can say you want the robot to delay for like 15 minutes, or you want the robot to delay for like 30 minutes before taking another trade. So you can set the minute here. So the robot is going to be delaying on that particular minute before it's going to take another trade. So that is just the work of the delay between trade minute. That is the work on the delay between trade minute here, which is delay between trade minutes. So you can delay trade. Maybe you want the robot to be delaying on a particular time. Maybe after taking a buy trade or taking a sell trade, you want the robot to delay for like 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes before taking another trade. Then you can control it here. For those of you that do not want the robot to be taking multiple trades, you can control it here. And why this here close open trade any if any take profit, it simply means that if you enable this to be true, maybe for example the robot take maybe the robot take like 10 trade, or the robot take like 20 trade, and all the 20 trade is on profit, immediately the robot eat any of the take profit of any of the trade, the robot is going to close all the trade automatically. The robot is going to close all the trade automatically. So if you eat any of the take profit, it's going to close all the trade automatically. So I think I did a little briefly explanation which I'm going to have explained. I'm still going to do another video to explain more for inside for you guys to understand. As for if you guys can notice me, you can see that I'm in all day to do this video. So I'm going to settle down and take my time to explain it very well again. I think we are still going to hold a class to explain it for you guys to have more understanding about the robot. So I'll see you guys in my next video. And also, if you're new to the channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and also click on the follow bell for more updates. So bye for now. I'll see you guys in my next video.